So we need some cushions for our chairs, and these ones, they were quite shabby, so I'm renewing them. What I'm doing is I bought this acrylic painting, which is supposed to waterproof them, but well, we'll see after if it's going to be like that. So they were all missing the stitches and all very old. Oh, shut up. So I just sewed them. They're gonna look like this one, which is ready. Yeah. So I just need to finish painting this one and that one, and that's it. There's Coco Van. We're not allowed to go anywhere further than 10 kilometers of our home. So it's gonna be parked there. Well, but the good side is that I'll be able to water my plants and they will look great. Look how amazing. They're all coming back to life. And I have built this, well, with the help of Lawrence. I mean, I had the idea to use the old pallets. So I built this flower bed. Which, well, it's not only flowers. This is runner beans, and that is courgette. Flowers, strawberries, and yesterday I put some bulbs of fleur de lis in here, and there is some marigolds that I sowed there, but yeah, they're not germinated yet. These are a berry, a Brazilian berry called pitanga. They don't like cold, so they have to be in a pot, because then I can move them indoors when the frost comes, which is gonna be next Monday. The forecast is snow. Can you believe it? It's just mad. This is another Brazilian plant. It's called flamboyant. It's an amazing tree. I'll put a picture for you. So I will transplant this small into that one later. And yeah, hydrangeas. They forgot the name. This one's coming. Look, that the wisteria. It's coming back to life. Oh dear, what's the name of that one? Mint. Rhubarb, rose. I just love roses, but they don't love me. I really wish this one produces some. This one, when it's in the morning, when it's still cold, it's all closed. And now it's a bit like that. There is kale. I put the eggs around them because then the slugs can't get to them. It seems to be working. This is a fig tree, more strawberries. Look this, how beautiful it is. And that is passion fruit. Don't know the name of that one, I forgot. This is things I go and collect around. They're not doing very well. This one is a pine tree, it's a Christmas tree. Well, it's gonna... Bamboos. And they are potatoes. I need to cover them with more soil. And these cute things. The irises are coming. This is mûr, the blackberry. I'm gonna let it grow this year because I'm always trimming them, but not anymore. I will make a nice way for it to live. Look, the iris is there. What else? Oh, herbs. Rosemary, sage, manjarona, oregano, parsley, dill, thyme, lemon balm, loads of stuff. And there, it's the beautiful honeysuckle. And we have more stuff here. Lavender, more honeysuckle, tulips. And those were eaten by something. They're dead now. This one is coming. And there is the lilies. The hyacinth. No. They have a lovely smell, and the opening. And there is a new wisteria that I planted from seeds 2 years ago. Yeah, it is slowly growing. There are some of the supermarket things. More succulents. My favorite, tulips. I love that bee, isn't it cute? They have a lovely scent as well. It's alyssum. I'm not cutting these because I love them. And you can eat them, dandelions. And they're tasty, they taste like lettuce. More irises I planted 2 years ago, and they're flowering this year. That's it. Oh, look, my stunning honeysuckle. Here it's geraniums. It's a different type of geraniums. They're coming. They have flowers, some bulbs, quite loads of different ones. So I don't know the names. I have to check. And that is a bird, condo. And that is raspberries. And this is kale. The reason the egg is there, it's because of the caterpillars. They think this is a predator and they don't come near it. It seems to be working. I need more, actually, more eggs. My neighbor came here and said, you have an egg tree, mocking me. Yeah, well, they say it's the ancient knowledge. This one, they are Californian poppies. Oh, they are beautiful. Can't wait to see them full of flowers. Planted these ferns few weeks ago that I went down to the river and I got them. Let's see if they will prosper. I love those cloves. Beautiful. They say it's good for the garden because they how do you say, they fix the nitrogen in the soil. Yeah. See you later, alligator. I've got this horrible painting that I started a long time ago, and it's very childish, so I'm going to cover in black and try to make something better. This is all black acrylic paint. I'm thinking of painting some succulents. It might be easy, because my attempt here was to paint a beach scene with the umbrellas and the ocean, but it didn't work. It was very childish. Not that childish is bad, but I didn't like it. So it's gonna be all black. I've read this book about Debussy. Not about Debussy, it was a fantasy, but he was mentioned in the book. It's called Sepulchre. It's the British writer Kate Mossy. So now, I mean, every time I put some music on, I want to listen to Debussy. He's good. Was good. I think I made a mess, put too much paint. Should have used my thing, you know, the tripod. Yeah, that. I have got one in the barn. I want to make a birdhouse myself. So Lawrence cut this wood for me with the machine, and I'll try to make it. Let's see how it goes. I want to make something a Swiss chalet, you know, the ones you have in the mountains when you go skiing, kind of this. And then I'm gonna put this here, and it's gonna have a porch for the bird. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to do it. I will need my cushion, knee cushion. Look, I've got my own toolbox because I'm not allowed to use his stuff. So yeah, I have all the basics. That's my favorite. What?
Oh, might help.
To put where?
Well, what you're doing with that one?
With this one?
Yeah.
But that is too big, isn't it? No?
Well, yeah.
That is more delicate. No.
friend.
What?
You got a friend?
Yeah, I can hear it. But...
No, on the ground next to you.
Oh! Hello. Go in. Like that.
If you fix one side first and then do the other side.
Yeah, that's the plan.
And
I
then-
just need to see the angle. Oh dear.
No, you have to, yeah, don't get it too close to the edge. You need to be, where the piece of wood goes across, you want to be aiming for the centre of that piece of wood.
Right. I'm not a carpenter, apparently.
See where the wood comes to there, so aim in the middle.
But then I can move it like that. Then.
Yeah.
Yeah. But after the nails, I guess. No?
Put the glue first.
Really?
Yeah, you put the glue on there, and then on there. Put that on, nail it. The same on the other side, and then before it sets, the other
That
four
one.
or five nails.
Yeah.
You don't need too much glue, really, only a little.
Okay, boss. Thank you, boss.
You could try using these nails. A bit smaller, if it will be long enough. Don't use them in the garden.
Why not? You're in front of the sun. It's not working. Yeah. And imagine this is a rooster that annoys me every day. It's really good. Ta-da! It worked. Yeah. Yeah. So that's going to be the back of the house. So I just need to cut it. Cute triangle. Lawrence cut it for me. And now I'm going to make the back. Ta-da! Gonna go like that. Hopefully it works.
double-ended screw. You have them on knobs and things like that for door handles and posts and stuff like that. And so yeah, drill a small hole, you put it in there,
Yeah.
and then you can, or you put a screw in this now coming through,
Okay.
so it's already there, and then you just put a small hole in there and twist it on. That's what I would do, but it's not my bird.
It's my birdhouse. Did you see? I made it.
You should always put the lid back on it because it will go all...
Look. Now wait 24 hours for the glue to dry, and then I can finish the front of the house. My Swiss chalet. Yeah, that's good.
Go down a bit.
Do I need to varnish it? Protect the wood. Yoo-hoo! Merci.
Well, if you want it to last, yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Otherwise it'll just... If you don't varnish it, I mean we've got varnish.
Yeah, I know.
It's not really outdoor varnish, but...
No, it will make a difference then.
Yeah. I mean
Okay.
actually that stuff you bought.
It's really good, yeah. Hello again. So here it is, the birdhouse. It has been drying the glue for the overnight, and it's pretty solid now. And I've been doing some little decorations. It's a butterfly and some flowers, and that's going to go like that. But first I'm going to draw some tiles to make like the roof. Let's see. I'm not feeling very creative. Yeah, I need a... Yes, we have a roof. Now I'm gonna paint it, because just with the pencil didn't work. I finished painting the roof, and now I'm going to varnish the wood just to protect it from the elements, and then I need Lauren's assistance to find out how to place it in there, because it's going to be on a pole right behind where you are. I'm not showing it now. And then I can put the door in place. Et voila. But it's cool. And I'm going to put it up there, or maybe in here. My plan was to put it in here, but because it didn't work, we got this new trellis for the jasmine. Yeah, so I have got to find somewhere up there to hang it. Those I didn't
built it myself. I was given them.
Rent.
I think they look like those beach cabins in England, don't they? In Cornwall. I love it.